Hello everyone, it's Awesome J here with 2 boxes that we got today, and I'm gonna go ahead and open them up. So I'm gonna open this one up, and it looks like it's a fire alarm. I think I know what kind this is. It's a Flexion fire alarm horn siren for home, office, hotel, and restaurant, you name it. And this alarm looks so much like a Spectralert Classic, but except there's one thing. The strobe looks different, and there's no fire on the side. So yeah, anyways, let's open up this big one. I think this is my spectralert Advance SPSCW, which these things are pretty cool because they have like a voice evacuation, and it's really cool. And the coolest thing is that you can see how it works. Well, only when it's not wired, but it's really cool. That because I knew about these SPSCWs and I've always wanted one, and now I finally got one. And that's basically it. And I am not going to wire these up today because I will build a board downstairs in my room in the future. And yeah. So anyways, please make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my content or live streams. Bye.